Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video. Now, you must have read the title by now and you know what we are going to talk about, and this is exactly what we are going to be talking about. This bloodbath which is happening in the crypto markets right now as I am talking to you. But before I start the video and talk about why the crypto markets are falling, what's happening, and whether you should be looking to buy, whether you should be looking to panic sell, or if you're having a position and you gotta go get out of the position or not. And all of this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I really love studying finance, crypto markets, equities, and a little bit of forex, nfts. So I just share what I learned along the way. But it's pretty surprising because the last time I posted a video was 2 weeks ago, and I had like 30 subscribers. And the reason I make videos is only and only because I really love uh, communication. I love leadership, I love business, finance, cryptos. And whenever I learn something new, I share a video out of it. I make a small video and share it. But the last time I saw my subscribers, they were like 30, and probably I know all the 30 of them. But today I actually got this beautiful comment. Someone commented on the video about nfts and they're like, interesting, good luck for next. And I had an old comment as well 4 weeks ago which said useful video. And today when I opened this comment and saw my channel, it's like 30 plus 12, 42 subscribers. I'm like, wow, so people are actually watching this. So if you are here, if you're watching this, and if you are listening to me ramble about this, then thank you so much. You're all lovely people, and I really will try to kind of sustain this thing, because I really feel that you must have a personal brand of yourself where at least you showcase your interests, you showcase your let's say whatever you are passionate about. Okay, now I don't know why this sound has started, but anyhow, let's get to our topic now. So let's talk about crypto markets. And if you see what's happening, it's not beautiful, right? So we are seeing a big sell-off happen in BTC and actually everything. Yo, why the fuck is this? The day just changed. Okay, the day just changed, or else this was this was all red, right? So we just entered a new day, I believe. Yeah, we just entered a new day. I hate this. So actually I made a video, but I scrapped it and I'm making a new video. So in that video it was like minus 10, minus 20, minus 15, minus 9. But now it's all, the new day has started, so it shows in 0.7 plus and 0.29 plus. But anyhow, I'll show you the chart so you can understand how negative we have gone. So you see what's happening here. Bitcoin fell like 4% yesterday, that is 6th April, and the reason was obviously technical reason. We had a good clean symmetrical triangle and we broke out. But other than that, we also have a news factor which was included in this sell-off, because not just Bitcoin, even let's say Ethereum, pick any crypto, look at Ethereum, what Ethereum did yesterday, right? Look at XLM, look, this is fucking insane. So ADA fell like 10%. I have position in ADA, so I'm sitting at unrealized losses right now. Go to what is okay, I just got a text. And ASTR was actually holding, but Matic, look at Matic, bad sell-off. So Ape was really bad sell-off, right? Look at this. So why is this happening? If you go on cryptopanic.com, which is like a news aggregator for crypto, is where you can find all the news about cryptocurrencies. So anytime you want to see what the overall sentiment of the market is, come to cryptopanic.com. And here what you can see is actually surprising, because the sentiment and the news is actually bullish and is actually good and does not signal anything which should trigger a reaction like what we are seeing, like this. So the news is not something which should trigger a reaction like this, that is like fucking 10% fall or 9% fall in the last 1 week in Bitcoin. That's insane. So let's read the news. It says MicroStrategy has a new buy the dip competitor. So people are buying the dip. MicroStrategy bought like, I guess, 2 billion in this Bitcoin dip. And let's see, SEC approves Bitcoin futures ETFs. So Securities and Exchange Commission is approving ETFs. And Cardano emerges as global. Oh, Cardano I have to talk separately, probably a new video, or probably in this video at the end. And then we have Bitcoin 2022 conference coming up, which should actually be, good for the market. But prior to that, the markets are falling. I'll talk about why they are falling in just a second, but bear with me for a moment and let's read the news. Goldman Sachs to offer over-the-counter Ethereum options. Okay, so Goldman Sachs is offering option trades for its clients. And we also have, what else do we have? Decision time for Cardano. I'll talk about Cardano later. Blockchain joins forces. Okay, there are just some SEC approves. Okay, BitPay integrates Lightning Network to enable low-cost Bitcoin transactions. Good news. So we have good news, and if you just see these green colors here, you see that people are actually expressing their bullish sentiments, right? On the right side, you have all the trending news, and on the left side, you have the general news which keeps popping up. 15 minutes ago, 37 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago. Now, coming to why the markets are falling. The first reason is the US Fed. Okay, so why the US Fed? Because we know that inflation is like at all-time highs, like record highs currently in different countries of the world, especially also in the place where I am based right now. I'm not in the US, but yeah, even in the country where I am based right now, the inflation is soaring high. So the US Fed has actually hinted that it would increase interest rates. Okay, so that's one thing. And they also said that they would start the process of shrinking the balance sheet very soon, and all of this is going to be done to tame inflation. Okay, but taming inflation does not mean that it comes without a little negative side effect. So the equity markets, that is the Nasdaq and New York Stock Exchange and Dow Jones Industrial Average, all of these equity and stock markets of the US are actually panicking. Investors are afraid because the Fed is actually hinting a very hawkish approach. So that's one thing. And this stuff is being reflected in our crypto markets as well. Now, the second thing is the European Union. So I don't know which committee exactly. It's like some financial committee or the European Commission. I don't know. But they are planning a new law to put a ban on anonymous crypto accounts or wallets. So if you, or they're also called, let's just search for it, right? EU to ban anonymous crypto wallets. So that's another reason. So EU Parliament, okay, privacy busting crypto rules, okay, to crack down on anonymous crypto transfers. So if you have an account on crypto exchange and you haven't done your KYC, that is know your client, then you are in trouble with the European Union or the European Parliament. Okay, MEPs from the committee and the Committee on Civil Rights have voted on the text of the legislation. Okay, illicit flows in crypto assets move largely undetected across Europe and the world, which make them as an ideal instrument for ensuring anonymity. Okay, so ignoring the jargon and telling you what it means, it just means that if you are not disclosing your identity to the regulators, to the crypto exchanges, then you are in trouble. You will be tracked. Even a transaction worth 1000 or beyond is going to be reported to the authorities, and that is being planned to be formed into a law. So once this legislation comes into account, then obviously we do know that, yeah, obviously cryptocurrencies are being used for some shady stuff, so that might be a little uh, troublesome. So that's another reason the European Union and their restrictive laws for cryptocurrencies. And obviously we have secondary stuff. It's not secondary, but Russia Ukraine war, and we have global supply chain issues. Okay, so all of these are just panicking out investors, even though this stuff is more like not something which we should think about when we are talking about cryptocurrency markets. But yeah, this and this 110%, right? So these stuffs are actually panicking out the crypto markets and they're reacting negatively. This happened to Bitcoin after a decade. Okay, so you see this aggregator just keeps sending out content. Now let's talk about what next for Bitcoin, right? This is already up 1%. What's up with ape? 15 minutes. Okay, so what's up on a 4 hour time frame? Okay, you're on a time trend anyways. Let's go to BTC and see what the next stop can be. So obviously, as you can see here, this is definitely a very strong support level, but what we are talking about is 3,000, 37,000, sorry, 37,000 levels, and that is like a fucking 14% down move. Obviously, 37,000 is a very, very, very negative uh, scenario thing where we can expect, oh, 37,000 Bitcoin, the next support zone. But definitely, if you go on a daily time frame and try to look at the chart, you can see some levels here and this level. So it's more like 40,000 level, right? So around 40,000 we can expect Bitcoin to take a halt, but the entire crypto community was eagerly watching Bitcoin to hold this level. Okay, so that is like the 44,000 level, which I, yeah, so this was the level which every crypto trader was watching, and once this broke, we knew we are in for a trouble, right? So the 44,000 level broke and we went to 43, and now we are slowly approaching to go even below 43, right? So this is happening. So our next level would be, technically the next level should be 40,000, and obviously if we can't hold 40,000, it's gonna be 37. But I'm really doubtful of the fact that we are gonna reach 37. I feel 40 could be a possibility, but this is definitely a buy the dip opportunity. I am having positions in few coins. Cardano is one of them, and I guess, how long is the video? I think I don't have the time to talk about Cardano in this video, so probably we'll talk about it in the next video. But pretty much that's it. That's the reason why crypto markets are panicking out. It's because of the EU regulations. It's because of US Fed, a hawkish approach. It's because of the Russia-Ukraine war, and obviously we have technicals combined with it. So these are the reasons why. And also, I'll leave a link to this article. It's a pretty cool article. Uh, we have some good graphs and charts from well-known, knowledgeable people who are sharing their opinions. So definitely you should check it out. Something is off, and the coming days will show what is happening. Yeah, could potentially take the market to, yeah, exactly. So that's exactly what we discussed as well, right? Did I discuss 37,000? Yeah, 37,200, 37,300, and 40,000. But I don't really feel that we are going to go to 37,000. This can be like this can liquidate a lot of people. The market cap of crypto market is the market capitalization of the entire crypto market lost like 130 billion just in 24 hours. So I can expect the crypto markets to fucking fall another 14%, given that we have MicroStrategy buying the dip, we have a Bitcoin conference coming up, we have so many bullish news is coming out. I highly doubt that me discussing this happened to Bitcoin. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you did understand why this is happening, and definitely please do follow or subscribe to my channel, right? So this is what happens when you are not a YouTube guy and you just try to do YouTube for fun. So do subscribe to my channel, please look around my channel, and nice timing, I'm running out of battery. So this is what I do. I talk about business, finance, economics, leadership, and NFTs. And definitely tell me in the comments whether you want me to talk about certain things, whether you want me to make a video about certain thing, and I'll definitely try to pick that topic up, right? Share this video, and bye bye. Okay.